JDA model PF200 piston filler, and I just wanted to go over with you a common question that we get with troubleshooting the filler. If you're running the filler and it suddenly goes forward and does, like, the piston goes forward but does not come back, that's one scenario. A second scenario is you go to press the foot switch and nothing happens. Most likely with the PF200, it's a very easy machine to diagnose. It's most oftentimes the reed sensors. So what happens here, I'm just going to focus in on it. The air is on the machine. There's a little blue nipple there that's sticking up, so the sensor's in the right position. If I were to get my Allen key and move it off of the magnet, you're going to hear, you heard the noise, and you could see the nipple go in and out. So if it's not in the right position, that's what's going to happen. So we know that the piston's all the way back, so this here is now in the right position. So if I take it off of this and I go to press the foot switch, nothing happens. If I just manually slide it back in place, the nipple's up, I go to activate it, it works. So very simple troubleshooting. So it's back in the home position, this nipple is up, this one is down. When I press the foot switch, this is going to go forward, you'll hear it, and you're going to see this nipple is going to pop up momentarily. I'll do it again. So you saw it activate. So we know that these two sensors are working properly, and they could very well be working properly on your machine, but if they're not in the right position, then nothing is going to happen. If this one has gone bad on you and you go to activate it, I'll give you another scenario. If I take this off, just to pretend that it's gone bad on you, or it could be definitely just in the wrong position, I can still go forward, but now it's stuck. It's not gonna return. So something's wrong, which is obviously I took the sensor off, but if it's bad, it'll go past the sensor, and this is what will happen. Hopefully this helped you.